Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss chapter 1 11th class Cbse mathematics, that is sets. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study the definition of sets. What do you understand by the word sets? So a set is a well defined collection of distinct objects. That means it is a collection. Sets means a collection of distinct objects. Okay, so basically the objects are nothing but are called as elements or the member of sets. Okay, so objects which belong to a set are called members of a set. So basically sets are basically a collection, well defined collection of distinct objects, and the objects are called as what? Members or elements of the set. And next thing is that how can we define or how can we describe a set? So the set can be described as in two ways. First way is that in tabular way you can describe a set. Tabular form is also called as what? Roster form. Fine. So let us study first tabular form. So in tabular form, here the elements of a set are actually written down, separated by commas and enclosed within brackets, and the brackets should be curly brackets. So fine. So in tabular form, the elements of the set, that means the objects, are actually written down. The objects are written down. I'll take one example. Suppose the vowels. Right? Vowels, I represent, this should be capital. When you represent a set, that should be in capital letter. Okay, equal to, this is a set which is defined as what? A set of vowels, which is equal to curly bracket. In that vowels I write A, E, I, O, U. Now these are the objects, right? And they are separated by commas and enclosed by what? Curly brackets. So this is basically what? Tabular form. So we have to write in capital letters, that is defined as what? Vowels. Okay. Now second form in which you can describe a set is that set builder form. In set builder form, it is also called as rule method. In set builder form, a set is described by a characterizing property P of x of its elements x. To understand the set builder form, we'll take one example. Suppose A is a set. A should be in capital letter. A is a set of what? We can write A is a set of okay, fine. We'll write x such that x is a prime number less than 20. Now in set builder form we are just writing the statement, right? Suppose this is in what? Tabular form. If this I have to write in set builder form, then you have to write V is equal to, we can write x such that x is a vowel. Fine. Vowel of what? English alphabets we can write, right? So we can write x is a vowel of English alphabets, right? And remember, this also should be in what? Curly brackets. Here no need to put commas and all. Here we are defining it. Suppose this is in what? Tabular form. This is given A, E, I, O. This is nothing but what? Vowels of English alphabet, that we are writing in set builder form, that is x dot means such that x is a vowel of English alphabets, that is nothing but this A, E, I, O. Okay, so this is in tabular form, this is in set builder form. So question will be asked to convert or to write the set builder form in tabular form or something like that. Okay,